So we're taking a look at the PZ.P 12 to 24 volt battery charger. This is just great for cars, SUVs, 18-wheeler trucks, tractors, RVs, boats, and toys. All sorts of batteries, because the flexibility of this is wide. You could even include charging flooded, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries. You can also charge with a voltage range of 12 volt to 30 volts, which can perfectly match all brands of batteries. The adjustability is very good by working these knobs to adjust the voltage and the amps, and it also could be a low amp trickle charger, and you could also set it to 15 amp fast car battery chargers. So if you're a handyman or even have a shop or a farm or riding mower equipment, anything that needs battery, this will handle it. And this is great to keep in your shop, in your garage, for those maintenance and just dealing with all sorts of batteries that you own. The digital display is easy to see, and the clamps are very efficient. It gives you enough room, and you could conveniently wrap them around the holder in the back for storage. So this thing has safety protections, so you don't have to worry about damaging your battery. The red light will remind you of charging errors. It's got a microprocessor system that will protect your batteries and the battery charger. So this is great to have if you're a tinkerer and a DIYer and a home farmer, homesteader, and so on. So this is great to have, and it's super wide range of possibilities of charging with this.